So guys, as you can see, this is the driver input and the second driver input, which is the drain of this MOSFET. As you can see guys, this is 505 tons guys, and the middle one is the loop, which is the positive, and this is the wire, and this is the positive of the oscillating circuit. We are going to connect it parallel, and the negative also to the N channel MOSFET. As you can see guys, this is the wire. We are connecting it parallel guys. So guys, this is our negative input, the driver input, and the N channel MOSFET input, the negative. This is the wire, and this is the positive input and the positive input. We are connecting it together. Positive, and this is the switch. So this is the positive input wire. So I'm going to connect this wire to it. This is the input, and this is the negative input guys. And as you can see, the oscillating output will connect it to the gate of the two MOSFETs, the two wire guys. As you can see, is it here to the gate. So I'm going to leave a diagram below guys on how to make this driver, oscillating driver guys. So guys, I want to add this fan to it. So we are going to place it here. So as you can see, this is the positive and here is the negative. So I'm connecting it parallel to the positive here and to the negative of this N channel MOSFET. So guys, as you can see, we've connected the negative to the N channel MOSFET negative input. So parallel like that guys. So let's test our projects. So guys, as you can see, this is our battery, and here's the switch, and this is our bulb. So we are going to test it now guys. So this is my switch. So guys, as you can see, our project is working. So guys, as you can see, I later changed the MOSFET from this one to this. So we are going to test our project now. As you can see, this is our battery. So guys, as you can see, it is working fine. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.